So, it's good. Got the beers. We got a cameo from Mr. Young Rick.
Famous young
Famous Young Rick getting slow.
Yeah, Young Rick is too smart. Yeah, we're here at the video release party. I was gonna live stream it, but we ain't got internet, so we're just giving out video, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna release all the videos, releasing everything, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lot of fun. We got pizza on deck, we got gift bags on deck.
You want to show them the gift bags?
Huh?
You want to show them the gift bags?
Show them the gift bags.
All right.
Yeah, we got gift bags on deck for everybody that decided to show up, you know what I'm saying?
Got the goodies in there.
Got the little goodies, you know what I'm saying? We got the pizza on the courtesy of the Chaos Theory Music Media, you know what I'm saying? Courtesy of Dave Don, hallelujah, you know what I'm saying?
Shouts out.
Shout out to Chaos Theory, for real, man.
And shout out to this low hanging light. I keep on hitting my light, my head on.
Look, chandelier, ain't nothing too serious.
Well, we see the large banner, so we know who we're here for. So
that's amazing. So yeah, I wish you could be here, but you know it's all good, man. Make sure you check out Word to Your Mother, man. Please pass out the videos. Let people know that we got videos out. You know what I'm saying? I'll be in Nigeria in the next few months. Shout out to everybody. It's good to see you out there. And while I'm out there, y'all can just be praying for me. You know what I'm saying? And when I come back, we're gonna throw another party. You know what I'm saying? And let's do it big. And you need to show up. Quit playing. Show up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.